Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, we are learning Unit 2, Virtues Pay Off. Today is lecture 3 under the title of Language Focus. We are going to learn about initial sound of words, page number 14 of your book. Before this, in English for Grade 1, I have taught you about the initial sounds. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again and we'll learn further to pronounce and match initial and final sound of common words depicted in pictures with their corresponding letters. So our focus will be initial sound today, final sound we learn tomorrow, inshallah. So this is our today's SLO. Let's start with a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sunan Abi Dawud 4839. Hazrat Aisha Razila Ta'ala Anha reported, the discourse of the Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was clear such that he was understood by everyone who heard him. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful hadith tells us that our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to speak in such a clear manner that whoever listens him need not to say, what did you say? I could not understand. Because when you speak clearly, everyone understands it. And to speak clearly, we need to learn how to say letters and words properly. This is what we are learning. Okay, so let's refresh your knowledge. I have taught you initial sounds, so you will read these words and focus on the initial. And remember, initial means beginning. When you say a word or when you hear a word, the very first sound which you hear or you say is the initial sound. For example, when we say butterfly, butterfly, the first sound is b, b, which is the sound of letter B. So how we say it? Butterfly. Watch, watch, watch. The first sound is wo, watch. It's W sound. Crayon, 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 k, and k is the sound of letter C. Remember, I have taught you all the sounds of letters. Frog, 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 right? So these are the initial sounds for these words. What is the beginning sound? The initial sound of the first or beginning sound that you can hear when you say any word. Okay, so let's say these words and focus on the initial sound. Father, father, father. So which sounds is coming first? Which is the initial sound? Father. Good. It's letter F. Which sound? Father. Good. Now let's say mother, mother, mother. Which letter sounds M? Yes, letter M. So it's the initial sound, mother. Thermometer. Say it with me. Thermometer. Thermometer. So beta, this sound is, we have practiced it. Again, we'll practice. So this sound is little, we need to practice. It's TH. Sometimes it sounds good, the way we say that, they, but here it's a soft sound, thermometer. It's not like it should not mix with S, but it's different. Thermometer. The way we say thank you, right? So we should practice this. All right, so this is how we identify the initial sounds. Remember? Okay. So it's a time for practice. All of you open your book on page number 14. What you'll do? Say the name of given picture and match with the initial sound. Now here words are not given. You'll have to say the name of this picture and then match it with the initial sound. Okay, one I'll do for you. For example, look at this picture. What is this? It's a mango. It is mango. So say mango. Which sound is coming first? Mango. Yes, and it's sound of letter M. Good. So it will go with M. Likewise, you will keep saying all the words and keep matching their initial sounds. Pause the video. Enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. So, here your teacher is going to make you work in pairs. Your teacher will show a few pictures of objects. You have to identify and pronounce the beginning sound of those objects. The pair that guesses the most beginning sounds correct will win. Okay, teacher, keep showing. You can take the objects which are available around you, or if you have pictures, flashcards, you can show. Ask the student to say the word and identify the beginning sound. Now pause the video. Enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good. And we enjoyed doing it? Wonderful. Here is time for your homework. Write in your notebook 2 words starting with each beginning sound. So these are the sounds. You have to write 2 words with each sound. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And dear students, what you are going to do? You look at the picture, you'll say the word, and then you'll color the beginning sound of these words and spell words in the space. Okay? You'll first color the beginning sound and you'll write the complete word over here. Alright, so in this way, what we have learned today, we recall the sounds of letters, we learned about initial sound, we pronounced and matched the initial sounds with their corresponding pictures. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to pronounce and match the initial and final, this we'll practice tomorrow, the initial sound of common words depicted in pictures with their corresponding letters. So in this way, our work is done. Are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.